Welcome back to my channel. Got another patient here. I got some boys from Australia in a big red car. Christmas tournament. It fell off the tree and one of the guys lost his head. I tried gluing it, just using glue, and it didn't really hold. His head fell off again, so I'm going to take it up a notch and add some reinforcement this time. Let's get to it. Okay, we'll start with our list. We've got some wire. I've got the patient. I have a small vise here that I'm using to hold his head, just so I'm not having my fingertips that close to this spinning bit. Using my Dremel tool with a small milling bit, and then I've got a plier. I'm going to try and put some grooves in the wire just to give more surface area and some bite for the glue, which is right here. And don't forget safety glasses whenever you're using tools. So I'm going to make sure we don't have any debris in there, because the debris, glue will bond to that and get an overall weaker bond. So I'm just going to kind of force some grooves into the wire, so that way it'll give a little more surface area for the glue and also make it less likely to slide out. It's probably a little too long. I can trim that down a bit. Okay, there we go. Notice I'm trying to go straight down the body. So I'm changing my angle. Make sure I've got it. I'm not running the bit too fast. I don't want to overheat the resin or plastic, whatever they used here. Taking little nibbles at a time. Enlarge the hole a little bit. Darn close. Let's just nip a little off here. Okay. It's glue time. I'm using the gel style glue. Unfortunately, this bottle's a little bit older, and unfortunately I think it's starting to dry out a little bit. Okay. Hold his head in place. It says hold for 10 to 45 seconds. Okay. He's got a little Frankenstein scar, but Looks like he's holding. So I'm going to let that dry. It says wait 24 hours for a full cure. So we'll let him dry, and hopefully his head stays on. So if it does, then we'll call that a success. All right, well, that wraps up another video. Gonna put the Australian boys in the big red car back on the Christmas tree. Hopefully Jeff will keep his head on this time. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Hopefully we'll be doing some improvements this week. I've got some time off from work, so I'll try and do some cleanup, and also look into investing in some new equipment like a new microphone, new camera, so that way videos are a little higher quality. But you know, as always, if you have any thoughts or suggestions on things you'd like to see, better way of doing things, leave a comment. I try to read every comment and respond to them, so I appreciate your feedback. And until the next video comes out, thanks again. See you later.